What do we have here? So here's an agate that was found by Nick Baragwanath, and he wants me to clean it up, do a little iron out and some mineral oil on it. Sorry about the traffic. We're gonna see what we can make this look like. So we got a little mineral oil, a little iron out and some hot water. We're gonna mix this together. Put some of this in there. It's gonna fizz and all that. Yeah, all right. So we want that action. Fizzy fizz. And we're gonna stir it up until it's clear. And then we'll pop our stone in it for a few days and we'll see what it looks like. So we'll be back shortly. Yeah, this guy weighs 4.6 ounces, found by my wife's cousin Nick out in about a foot of water on Lake Superior, I think east of Vermillion somewhere. So pretty cool. Bam, and here it is all cleaned up. We're going to go in and weigh it. This is after iron out and a little bit of mineral oil. And she was super dark before, but now you can see all that banding is nice and white. And she is gorgeous.